Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This stock 2018 Harley Davidson TRIKE Ultra Classic with only 378 miles runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It comes well equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse CB intercom connections, and navigation. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIKE offers dependable power with 114 foot-pounds of low-end torque. If you're looking for a powerful factory trike with classic styling and rider comfort, the TRIKE is a great option. It has a seat height of 27.1 inches and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. This vehicle has received our premium service and detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.